Hey guys, welcome to the how-to channel. If you have a shower screen in your bathroom, then you know how difficult it can be to remove all this scum, grime and hard water stains from this shower glass. As you can see right here, I have already cleaned this top half of this shower screen and you can already see the difference. I am using two very simple tools for this project and one of them is this cleaning vinegar. Just spray this shower screen because we want to kill all germs, bacteria or anything else that has been growing in there. And also we want to make this hard water stains a little bit wet so it will be easier to remove them. And of course put some rag down there not to have your bathroom all messed up. The second tool is just a simple razor blade. Now I'm sure you have one laying around in your house. If you don't, check out the links in the description. Now this is very important part. We are going to use this razor blade to remove all of these hardcore stains that we were not able to remove using cleaning vinegar. You need to set up your blade in angle from 15 to 30 degrees, something like this. And of course be very careful how you hold it. Okay, as you can see, this razor blade is removing these hardcore stains. Oh yeah, pretty easily. This is clean part using a razor blade and this is clean part using just the vinegar. So you see the difference. You can also do this long strokes. As you can see, this razor blade is removing everything. Pretty nice. Who would have thought that this little tiny razor blade can clean this big shower screen this good? But it works, and actually it works pretty good. That was another clever trick on how to use your household items in cleaning processes. If you want to see some other clever cleaning tricks, check out these suggestions right here. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.